Google just released Gemma 4, and this is a huge deal. These are open source AI models that can actually run on your phone, Raspberry Pi, or laptop. We're talking Gemini-level intelligence, but small enough to fit on consumer hardware. Let me show you what makes this so impressive. Gemma 4 is Google's latest family of open source AI models, built from the same cutting-edge research as Gemini 3 but shrunk down to run locally on your devices. And it's fully open under the Apache 2 license, which means minimal restrictions. You can download it, modify it, and use it commercially. What makes this release special is that you get powerful multimodal AI that can process text, images, and audio, all while running entirely offline on hardware you already own. Let me break down what's available. Gemma 4 comes in 4 different sizes designed for different needs. First, there are the tiny models, 2 billion and 4 billion parameters. These are the E2B and E4B models. These are perfect for running on phones, Raspberry Pi, or other edge devices. Seriously, you can run AI on a Raspberry Pi now with decent performance. Then we have the larger models, 26 billion parameters and 31 billion parameters. These pack serious power. The 26 billion parameter model is a mixture of experts model. Think of it as a team of specialized AIs working together. When you use it, only 3.8 billion parameters are actually active at any time, which makes it incredibly efficient while still delivering strong performance. The 31 billion parameter model is a dense model, meaning all parameters are active. This maximizes raw quality and intelligence. If you want the absolute best performance and you have the hardware to run it, the 31B model is the one to use. What makes this release really special is how multimodal it is right out of the box. You can feed Gemma 4 text, images, and audio, and it handles all of them natively within one model. With the smaller models, this brings vision and audio understanding to mobile and edge devices with almost zero latency. You can talk to it in real time and get instant responses. You can point your phone camera at something and it can analyze what it sees in real time. Imagine having an AI assistant on your phone that can see through your camera, hear through your microphone, and respond instantly, all without needing an internet connection. That's what we're talking about here. The smaller models have a 128,000 token context window. This is how much information you can fit into your prompt at once. To put that in perspective, 128,000 tokens is roughly 100,000 words, or about an hour of audio. The 2 larger models have double that, 256,000 tokens. This means you can easily pass in entire small code bases, long documents, or extended audio recordings into a single prompt. You could upload an hour-long meeting recording and ask it to summarize key points and action items. And here's another impressive feature. Gemma 4 is natively trained on over 140 languages. This unlocks a ton of use cases globally. You can run a very performant AI model offline on your phone or computer in your native language, whether that's English, Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, or dozens of others. So, what can you actually do with this? You can get it to write and debug code. You can ask it questions and have natural conversations. You can talk to it in real time using voice. You can have it analyze videos or images. You can use it as a personal AI assistant that runs entirely on your device with complete privacy. It's an incredibly capable open model that you actually own and control. Now, let's talk about performance. Here's how Gemma 4 compares to other leading open source models like GLM4, Qwen 2.5, and Qwen 3.5. And here's the crazy part. Gemma 4 performs almost as well as Qwen 2.5 Coder, even though Qwen is 35 times larger. You definitely cannot fit Qwen on regular consumer hardware, but Gemma 4, absolutely. Here's another graph comparing model size versus performance. The y-axis is performance, so higher is better. The x-axis is total size, so smaller is better. Ideally, you want to be in the top left corner with high performance and small size, and as you can see, that's exactly where the Gemma 4 models are located. You're getting excellent performance in a package small enough to actually run locally. The awesome thing is you can download and use Gemma 4 right now. The models are available on Hugging Face for download. There are also GGUF quantized versions available, which are even smaller and run even faster on consumer hardware. It's already supported across all the major platforms, Ollama, LM Studio, Transformers, and many others. If you don't want to download anything, you can also try it for free online using Google's AI Studio. I'll show you quickly. If you go to AI Studio, at the top here is where you can select the model. Click on Gemma and then you can choose either the 26B or the 31B model. You can test it out right in your browser before deciding to download it. Alright, so that's Google Gemma 4, a very capable and efficient open source model family that you can actually run on your own hardware. I've put all the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI news and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.